How to take cool photos with hard light. In this video, I'll show you how to take cool photos with hard light. The strobe is a Godox 8200 and the softbox is a Godox QRP70. First, I aim the strobe directly on the subject from the left side. The softbox is attached, but the light is far away from the subject, so the light is a little hard. However, this alone gives the image a cool look. To make something interesting, I would like to put a large black board between the strobe and the subject to create a shadow of the board. With a softbox, the light is diffuse and the shadows are not clear. Unfortunately, the image did not turn out as I had expected. Next, remove the softbox and aim the 8200 directly on the subject. The light is harder and clearer than before. It looks good. As before, I put a large blackboard between the subject and the light. The vertical shadow of the board comes out clearly, creating an image like the shadow of a building. Half of the face is in the shadow, creating a very cool image. This time, I will put a blackboard with a narrow hole between the subject and the light. The light leaks through the slit and hits the subject nicely. If you want to create hard shadows, you can do so by hitting the strobe directly without using a softbox. This is very effective when you want to create a cool image. Please give it a try